This is a video to show function and condition for a Dyson Supersonic hair dryer for an eBay listing. You get the unit itself. It's in excellent cosmetic and working condition, which you'll see in a second. It comes with a heat pad, 2 different concentrators, and a diffuser. All of the accessories attach via magnet. Here are the power controls. This is a cool button. There are several power sections with the fan, and also this is your heat settings, and there are several settings with those. The settings have an LED screen. And same with the heat.